Those who usually use soap for bathing may not think of the seemingly high-end essential oil soap. The production process is unexpected. Today, let's see how they make high-end essential oil soap that ordinary people can't afford. When I first walked into this shop, I saw that there were very few processing equipment. It seemed that the equipment was simple and the environment was average. But fortunately, the orange machine was basically close to new. The workers would first add an appropriate amount of the machine to the mixer and then start the mixer to quickly stir the machine. Add a suitable proportion of pigments to quickly change the color of the machine, and then add a suitable. This can not only significantly improve the moisturizing and nourishing effect of the machine, it can improve the overall hardness of the soap and extend the shelf life of the soap. That is, next you can add a suitable proportion of essential oils to the raw materials, pour in a suitable amount of lubricants and surfactants and other additives, and then it takes 2.5 minutes of stirring time to make the various raw materials more evenly mixed. Since solid grease is difficult to mix completely with the machine, the mixed raw materials are poured into the extruder. After entering through the front extruder knife, a strip of material is formed. However, the raw materials still look a little dry at this time. It is also necessary to replace the knife head with a. After multiple extrusions and stirring of the raw materials that finally pass through the front knife net will become more delicate and uniform. This process must be operated patiently and carefully. Next, the raw materials entering the extruder will be pushed by the bare rod. After extruding the wood, a soap bar with a very fine and uniform texture will be formed. That is, the soap bar produced will be placed on the operating table by the worker and cut into standard lengths using steel wire. It seems that this operation is relatively simple, but it is not complicated at all. Using simple limited brother equipment can not only improve the efficiency of cutting, but also ensure the smoothness of the cut end surface. Although the soap can be sold directly at this time, in order to improve the grade of the soap, the cut soap will be squeezed by the workers through an extruder. This will not only make the appearance of the incense burner look more beautiful and tall, but also enhance the overall grip. At the same time, the brand logo will be embossed on its surface to make the incense burner look more high-end. That is, the workers will remove the rough edges around the incense burner and carefully package it with specially customized wrapping paper. This packaging method is different from ordinary incense burners to improve the overall grade of the soap. Next, the packaging needs to be sealed. This work must be done with their professional skills and fast hand speed. The speed of the entire finished product packaging is determined. After the overall packaging of the soap is completed, it can be shipped to the local high-end